Greetings, y'all. It's Jiro Fujioka, and you are watching BMW Wizard TV. We're going out on a little adventure this Sunday. I'm out here gassing up the BMW G20. I have my bike loaded up in the back, and we're going to hop back in the car and go on a little adventure today. So we're going to hop on the 10 freeway going west towards Santa Monica. And this is one of my favorite things to do, is to just, as a musician, I like to chill in the car, listen to the mixes before I release music, or often just play one of my favorite albums and zone out and enjoy the sights and sounds. So we are headed through this tunnel onto PC8, so let's do just that and enjoy some sights and sounds. This is one of the dope things about living in Los Angeles, is you see supercars like this on a daily basis. And if you're a car lover like I am, like that is just, one of the beautiful occupational hazards of living on the West Coast. So right about now, I'm gonna park and go on a little bike ride and enjoy the beach for a few minutes. And then we're gonna hop back in the car and head out to a car show. So we are back after our ride, and we're going to jump back in the car and head out to Woodland Hills for Supercar Sunday. Today is featuring all the Porsches, and it's going to be a dope event. So let's check that out.